To apply a gradient, first go to Window in the top menu and select Color to open the Color panel. In the Color panel, click on the icon next to Solid Color to open a drop-down menu and choose a gradient from the list. Next, customize your gradient colors. You can choose 2 or more colors for your gradient. Click on the color box to select the first color and pick your desired shade. Do the same for the second color. To add a third color, click directly on the gradient bar, and a new color stop will appear. And to remove a color stop, simply click and drag the color stop off the gradient bar, then release. If you want to save the gradient for future use, click the Add to Swatches button in the Color panel. To adjust your gradient further, select the Gradient tool. Shortcut F. Alternatively, you can find the Gradient tool within the Free Transform tool in the toolbar. Just click and hold the Free Transform tool icon, and the Gradient tool will appear. Once the Gradient tool is selected, you can rotate the gradient by clicking and dragging the gradient's center point. Resize it by adjusting the gradient handles. Move the gradient by dragging it to a new position.